Hello guys, good morning. This is Suhail Khalid Pinjari. Today I am discuss on the topic difference between Java and Python. So let's start. So first is the Java language is invented in 1951 and Python language invented in 1991. So second difference is Java is a compiled language and Python is a interpreted language. Java is a Java is a statically language and Python is a dynamically language. Static language means in a Java when we create a variable at that time we give the data type for the particular variable for the particular data type. If we does not give the particular data type for the particular variable at that time, this shown as compile time error in a compilation error. But in a Python, this is a dynamically language. In that, if we does not give a data type for variable, so there was no issue and program will run. So this is difference between Java and Python dynamically language and static language. Third one is Java is complicated to learn and Python is easy to learn and it is recommended for beginners. So fifth one is Java is faster and Java is faster and Python is slower because in a Java is a compiled language and here is a compiler is present, and if once our code is compiled, after it our code runs very fastly. And in a Python it is a interpreted language. In this language compilation in a compilation time it Python decides all variables are what types of variables and what methods, so it is slower than Python it is slower than Java. So next one is Java is a Java run code and write code is almost 10 lines of code for writing some features or reading some feature, but in a Python only 2 lines of code is sufficient for reading of features. So next one is a Java is a highly portable language and because in it JVM is present, Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine converts the byte code into machine code and it is a portable language, but Python is less portable language as compared to Java because it have it needs to the interpreter machine and a particular machine for run the code, for interpreter in a machine for run the code. So next one is our memory. Java code has take a lot of memory for saving the code as compared to Python. Python is take a less memory, occupy less memory to save the codes because of uh, Java codes are long and Java codes are lot of lines, and in a Python code here is a uh, here is a less line as compared to Java code, because in that we does not uh, we does not give we does not give data type for variable. If you only write uh, like a print statement, and we only write if we take a integer a, and we does not give a type of integer type for a, and in a we store a 10 value, and after it we if we print system dot out, if we write a print statement, so then this not need to any data type, and this will be printed 10. But in Java, if we take a integer and we initialize the value for a is equals to 10, and after it if we write a printing statement, then Java shows error when compile time. So this is a main difference, and hence that's why Java occupy more memory and Python occupy less memory. So next one is in Java, semicolon is mandatory for the ending of any statement, and in a Python semicolon does not mandatory. Uh, it is optional, and after it in a Java, curly braces is compulsory for shown the our start block, where block is starting and where block is ending. But in a Python, curly braces does not compulsory, and it only. So this is all about the difference between Python and Java. Okay, thank you.